So we're about to work on our legs, and the aim by the end of the legs is to end them out looking like this. As you can see, we've got the half lap joint in the center, and then your two leg or your four legs coming out, each leg being connected to an edge of a half lap. Now the very first thing you're going to do when you're making this is to come down and you'll make sure that you're lining up the sides with the taper. So there's a taper there connecting to the edge. Now I've gone through and I've done that. I'm then going to lay my legs out flat, like so. And this way I can number them. So I'm going to come here and go 1, and then come up here, just above the line, and go 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. The reason we number them is because we're going to do something called a Dowel joint. And they need to be very particular. And by ensuring that they're particular, it means that we can go through and get the joint done correctly the first time. So, we have pieces now numbered. I'm going to show you how to do it with 1, and then you can go through and do it with the other 3. I'm just going to remove some of these away. We're going to undo that. When we're doing a half lap joint, this is going to come in and sit there. So that'll sit like that, and that's going to come and sit there. And our aim is to get a very strong, good connection through there. That's our goal. Now obviously I've just dictated that this is going to be my bottom. So I'm writing that on, and bottom over here. But by having the numbers, you should be able to tell. The next thing I'm going to come through and do is I'm lining that up, and I'm using, as you can see here, I'm on a plywood bench top, which means it's flat. If you're using the other benches, please use the black center part of it. I'm going to come through here, and I'm just going to draw a line from there across to there. Now I'm using pencil for a reason, because I need this to be accurate. So I'm going to draw big. So hopefully you guys can come through and you can see this line there. From there, we're probably going to do something a little bit sketchy, but we're going to just do corner to corner. And this is where I want you to get a friend to help you out. Corner to corner. Now if you get your friend to hold the ruler, and then you can draw, life's probably going to be, or life will be a whole lot easier, because you can't have it moving. Now the reason we've gone the whole way from corner to corner and not just on the center section here is because this way we can ensure that it's actually meeting corner to corner. You then need to flip it up and do the exact same thing on the one that's 3, because I'm using 3 and 3. It's going to come through, line this up. Hopefully you can see that. Move that out of the way. It's going to be a bit of a pain. Line that up, and once again, for a friend to be real handy, line and line. Hopefully you can see that on the thing. So we've got these two set up here. Now you need to go through and do that for the rest of the other 3. Making sure to line up the numbers. So for me, I've got 3 and 3. These will go back together. Making sure that both bottom pieces are facing downwards with the numbers all on the one side. 3 and 3. Then you have 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 4 and 4. It's pretty straightforward. If you are confused, come and see me. Also, the other very important step is to make sure that you're using the tapered side to the inside. Now to do that, if you look down this line here, look down there, you'll be able to see that there's a curve in this piece just there. And that's what we did when we tapered it. Next episode, we'll take you over to the drilling station and we'll drill these dowel joints in.